Happy good morning, Southwest Florida. Thanks for sticking with us. Taking a big picture look right now at Doppler 3X at what I'm currently tracking. So, looks like now they have officially canceled or actually just expired the severe thunderstorm warning. So now it just focused on the moderate to heavy rain rolling through Sarasota, Charlotte County. Lightning picking up a little bit. Previously around 20 lightning strikes or so up peeled back, and now I'm seeing some more popping up right now over the Northport area and working its way into DeSoto County, northern parts of Charlotte. So Deep Creek starting to see the heavier rain pushing in. Port Charlotte, it's still just to the north mainly of the Port Charlotte area, but throwing a track on this whole storm system right now tracking to the east around 30, maybe 32 miles per hour or so. Port Charlotte Beach Park, 1026. Charlotte Harbor, 1032. Punta Gorda, 1037. As more of this comes in from the west and western parts of Charlotte County. I keep wanting to check in here just to monitor the strength of this particular cell, where it's still floating around 40,000 feet in height. So not necessarily growing and intensifying, holding strength pretty steadily over the last little while. You see how the lightning does extend over the Englewood area, but that's pretty much the extent of it. The farther south of these offshore showers rolling into western parts of Charlotte, really at this point just some steady to moderate rain, but all of this will start to push over again towards the Englewood area, towards parts of Rotunda. And you can see as well a little farther to the south. Now I wanted to check in, speaking of a little farther to the south, some light to steady rain rolling over Sanibel, up the Caloosahatchee, potentially out towards the Lovers Key area as well. Sanibel Island from the Janding Darling Skycam right now showing the steady rain coming down, a little bit of a breeze blowing everything around. It is already gusty at this point in the morning. Wind gusts upwards of 32 miles per hour for Englewood, 31 in Punta Gorda, Cape Coral. The rest of us seeing gusts around 25 to 30 miles per hour, and we expect that to continue into the early afternoon. The severe weather outlook for today, a 1 out of 5. This is pretty much from now until 3 p.m. Focus mainly on areas to the north. Main focus today will be the risk for damaging wind gusts and damaging winds altogether. In second place, right behind that, is the risk for potentially spinning storms and therefore a quick tornado or two. While that threat is low, it can't be ruled out. So Future Track shows through the next hour the bulk of the showers and storms rolling across the area through about the early lunchtime. Then by about 2, 3 o'clock, most of this has already worked its way inland and is clearing the area by about 3, 4 o'clock and leaving us with drying conditions and clearing skies through later on tonight. Today's high temperature is upper 70s for most of us, if not a few of us near about 80 degrees. So not too shabby, but we're going to keep it the 70s tomorrow afternoon. A dry forecast for the rest of this week.